Welcome back, children. Yes, today we'll start, that is continuation of patterns. Yes, already three sessions you learned. This is a fourth session. So you learned what you learned, how to adding. So as starting from number, which number they can given, that is. So next we are adding two number. 2 is obtained by what? Adding 2 or as subtracting 2. So all you will be learnt in before classes. Yes. So today we'll start, that is pattern by numbers. It means number pattern, that is. Okay. So here the numbers 2 to 10 is expressed as a sum of 2 or 3 numbers. It means 2 is split into 1 plus 1. Similarly 3 is split into 1 plus 1 plus 1. Like I'll write here the pattern. 1 is equal to 1. 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. 3 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1. 5 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 1. 6 is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 1. 7 is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 1. 8 is equal to 1 plus 6 plus 1. 9 is equal to 1 plus 7 plus 1. As the same, 10 is equal to how much? 1 plus 8 plus 1. Yes, here see, this is a pattern. So 1 is here, the 2 is splitting 2, so it is 1 plus 1. 3 is splitting 1 plus 1 plus 1. Next 4 splitting here, 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Next 5 splitting 1 plus 3 plus 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Same as 6, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. 7. 1 plus 6 is 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Same way up to here, 1 plus 8 plus 1. So it means 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So you will, this is a pattern. Okay. So here they can be given here one of the example pattern. So this is pattern 1. Yes. So this is the triangle. So this is a triangle. Here 1 is equal to, 2 is equal to, 3 is equal to, they can be given here. So 1 is as it is, we'll write here. So splitting here. So 2 is splitting 1 plus 1. Yes. So 3 is splitting 1 plus 1 plus 1. Understood? So this is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Understood? This is a pattern 1. Okay. So next one they can given here, that is pattern 2. What they can given here? Pattern 2. Yes. Pattern 2. Okay. So here 4 is equal to, already you learned 1 plus 2 plus 1. Like 5 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 1. 6 is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 1. So up to 10 is equal to 1 plus 8 plus 1. So this is a pattern 2. Already we learned, that is in first. Okay. So that is pattern 1. So this is pattern 2. Understood? So they can given here, see the splitting of single number in a different ways to form a pattern. Yes, single number we will do a different pattern. Yes. So here see. Yes. So here they can be given here number 16. Okay. So here 16 is one of the numbers. So how we will be splitting this 16? Equal. First what we will take? Equal amount we will split. Yes. So equal amount means here 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, 8 plus 8. So this 16 is we split in 8 plus 8. Okay, next this 8 is we split in how much? Equal number. So that is 4 plus 4. Understood? Yes. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Yes, 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, we splitted that one, 8 number. Next, so we splitted this 4 in 2. Yes, 2, 2, 2. Same way it is. Because 2 plus 2 is how much? 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Understood? Same way this 2 is splitting in the last digit, that is 1. So this 2 is splitting in 1. This is 1. So 2 is splitted in 1. Okay, here see 2 is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So this 16 is we splitted in this means so many ways. Okay, understood this one? Here 16 is written in a 4 different forms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 different forms. From these forms, it means a number pattern has formed. This is a number pattern. What we can call this is number pattern. Understood? Yes. Same way they can be given here. Other example. So complete the following patterns they can given here. First one 20. Second one they can given here 20. Okay. So how we will be splitting? First one here see 20 we splitted in 2 ways. 10 plus 10. Yes, number pattern. So 10 is we will split it in 5 plus 5. Yes, so we add these. So here also we will adding. How we will getting adding of these? We can get like, okay, so addition, that is. So here 5 plus 5. Yes, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Yes, so this is a method. So here they can given here second one, another method. So this is one method of 20, splitting of 20 pattern. So this is another method. 10 plus 10. Okay, so this 10 we will split it in 3 ways. Yes, so they can given here how much ways we will split it here? 3 ways. This is only 2 ways. 1, this is 2. Okay, so plus. Yes. So here they can be given 2 and here they can be given 3. So 3 how much we added to get, we can get a 10 number. So how much we add to 3 we can get answer, that is 7. Understood? 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. Okay, same way that is another one 2 empty plus 2. See, we splitted that 10 is how much we are splitting here. So here 3 plus 7 is 10. So here 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So answer is how much? Get. So this 10 is splitting in 3 ways. So this 10 is splitting in 2 ways. 3 plus 7, 4 plus 2 plus 4. Understood? Okay. Same way another one they can be given here. So what they can given here? Another one problem. Yes, so that is 24. Okay, so this 24 is splitted in here, they can given here 12. Okay, so this is empty. So here this empty is 6 plus, no, here also empty. Here this 12 is splitted in 4 ways, 3 ways, 1, 2, 3. Yes, so here 24 they can given here, here 12 they can given here. So how much we added to 12, we can get answer 24, 12. Yes, we can get answer 12 only. 12 plus 12 is 24. So 24 splitted in 12 plus 12. So this 12 they can given here 6. Yes, so they can given here 6 in this here. So how much we added to 6? So we can get answer 12. That is 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6, 12. Means 6 is added to 12. 6 is added to 6. We can get answer 12. Okay. Here see they can given here first one, that is 4. Only one they can given here. So this 12 is splitted in how many ways here? 3. So here 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Understood this one? How to splitting? The number pattern is how to splitting here. How many ways it is? 3 ways to splitting here. 3 is 2 ways to splitting. Understood that is? Okay. They can given here example. Fill the blanks as shown in the example and observe the number pattern for others. Okay. Example. First one 18 they can given here. Okay. So 9 plus 9 is how much? 18. Next. So 18 another way. 8 plus 10 is 18. Next. So they can given here 7 plus how much? Next. Plus 12. How much we adding? We can get answer 12. Next. Another one. So they can given empty. How much number we added to these numbers? Yes. So first one they already given 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay. Understood this one? 8 plus 9 is how much? It's 8 plus 10 is 18. Yes. So next number they already given here. How much? 7 they can given here. So how much number we will add to 7? Yes, how much number we add to 7? So we can get answer 18. See, so we are adding, that is 8 plus 10 is 18, 9 plus 9 is 18, 7 plus how much we add to, we can get the answer 18, 12 also how much we will add to get answer. So here blanks they can given here. So how much we are adding two numbers, we can get answer 18. So here, so 7 plus how much we will add now here? 7 plus 11. So 7 plus 11 is how much? 18. Yes. So next one they can given here, that is how much? So 18. So 12 plus how much we add to, we can get a number 18, that is 6. 6 plus 6 is 18. Yes. Same way that is given here, that is another one, that is empty. So here how much we added here? 13. I'll write here. So how much we added to 13, we can get 18 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. Understood this one? Okay. Second one, they can mention here 12. 20 minus 8. Second one 18 minus 6. 16 minus 4. Yes, so they can empty, they can given here. So I'll write here 16 minus 4. So here dash minus 2. Yes, so 20 minus 8 is how much? 12. Yeah, we subtracted now here. 20 minus 8 is 12. 18 minus 6 is also 12. 16 minus 4 is 12. And same way here, how much we added, subtract from 2, we can get answer 12. Yes, how much we will subtract here? 14 minus 2, we can get answer 12. Understood? Same way here, another one they can given here. So 17 minus, how much we subtract here? 5. Yes, 17 minus 5 is answer, we can get 12. Understood this one? Okay, next one, third one, that is 14. 10 plus 4. Next, 9 plus empty. Same way here, 6. Last one, that is 6 plus how much we added here. Yes, so they can given here first one, 10 plus 4 is how much? 14. Yes, like same 9 plus how much we will add to 9? How we can get answer how much? 14. So that is 9 plus 5. How much? 9 plus 5 is how much? 14. Yes. So next one. So they can given here. Here we will write the answer. So 6 they can given here. So in 6 how much we add the number? So we can get answer 4. So that is 8. How much? 8. If we add to 8 plus 6 we can get answer how much? 14. Next one, 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is how much? 14. Same way here, 6 plus 8 is 14. Understood that is? Yes. So we can get answer. So that number is splitted in so many ways. Next, that is fourth one they can given here. 10, 20 minus 10, 30 minus here minus 30, 50 minus and here 20 minus 10 is we can get answer how much? We subtract 20 from here, 10 from 20 we can get answer 10. Yes. So 30 minus how much we will be subtract we can get answer 10. 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. Yes. Here same here how much we will subtract 30 they can given here. 40 minus 30 is answer we can get 10. Yes. Next one that is 50 minus 40 answer is 10. Same we will write here how much? 60 minus 50 answer 10. Understood how they are? The number patterns are splitted here. Okay. Yes. So next we are going that is create a block patterns by stamping thumb prints, leaf prints and vegetable prints. Yes, see here students, you only create that is. So activity they can given here, stamp print by using vegetables. You can using vegetables like materials required. First example I'll show you. So materials required here, onion, bitter gourd, pointer gourd, ridge gourd, carrot, lady's finger. So these all the vegetables you can take. So even watercolors like here red, green, blue and orange you can take colors. Okay, watercolors these all. So here procedure they can given here, cut the onion vertically. So like a ring like structures you can be cut that. Okay. Or as vertical portion you can cut the layers it will be comes. So cut the bitter gourd, pointer gourd, ridge gourd, carrot and lady's finger horizontally. That is these all you can be cutted like this. So onions you can cut here horizontally. Yes. Sorry, this is vertically you can cut. Remaining all the vegetables you can be cut like a slice. Yes. round shape it can be cutted, like horizontally you can be cut all the vegetables. Yes. So next what we'll do? So next, so immerse the cut end of these. What you can be cutted vegetables, no? So if it is whatever you can take vegetables, okay, so you can be cut slices, they can be cutted. So that is it means immerse in a color. So which color you want, that color. So after you will be put here the same like it is here, see. So looking as same vegetables, so means, so these all the vegetables, real vegetables, yes. So you can be cut and immerse in colors. So you can put here like it is stamped like this. These all are looking vegetables, color vegetables. Yes. Here see, immerse the cut end of the vegetables in different colors and stamp its impression on a sheet paper. Same way it can be do here. So take these all vegetables. So impress in water, sorry, impress in color. So it can be stamp in here. Understood this is? Okay. And stamp too they can be given here. So that is activity. Okay. So second one, stamp print pattern using leaf and vegetables. Materials required using leaf and vegetables. Okay. So material what you need here? Medium size leaves on any plant. Any plant you can be take a medium size leaves. So that is vegetable like bitter gourd. Coloring are here green, red and pink, water paint, okay, watercolor, these all. So what you can do procedure, clean the surface of the leaf first. Color the inner side of the leaf using green tube. So make a different patterns on paper by stamping the leaves or as shown. So this one I'll show you one of the example, okay, yes. So this is example one, they can given here leaves different color patterns. So colored leaves, only one leaves, it can be see how it can be different way, looking very beautiful. Yes. So I'll show you, this is one of the leaf, it means leaf pattern, that is stamp print. Yes. See here, they can be mentioned like here. So take these vegetables, so cutted horizontally, and this is cutted, onion is cutted how much, how we will cutting here, this is vertically and remaining one horizontally we can be cut, and like same way we will be put immerse in the what, the cutted vegetables, the end of the cutted vegetables in a different color, and here stamp here on a paper, sheet paper, or as any another paper you can take and stamp here, like same way this is leaf. Yes, this one we will do. Okay, so this experiment will do. So first what they can given here, stamp print pattern using leaf and vegetables they can be taken here. So I'll take leaf. Okay, I'll take now here what, leaf. So here, so what are the material required here? Medium size leaves of any plant. I'll take here only one plant medium size leaf, and are as vegetables like bitter gourd you can be take. Okay, so colors you can take red, green, red and pink, but I take color blue color, so I am using this stamp. Okay, yes. So procedure, clean the surface of the leaf. What we'll do, so we can be clean the surface of the leaf and color in the inside leaf using a green tube, or I am using here stamp. Yes, so I immerse this color like this. Okay, so I using stamp and I'm immerse the color in the where, stamp. Yes. So now this leaf is what will do, make a different pattern on paper by stamping the leaves like here. Yes, this is one, like so. Another one I'll take here. Yes, so this is I'll do here. Yes, this is another leaf, and I'll take another one leaf. This is third leaf. Yes, so what we can call this is So this is we can call as a leaf like it is. Yes, so we can join these leaf like. So use color of these only. Okay, so you can use this like. So I did what I did here. See, this is the leaf like I did here. Yes, 3 leaves. Okay, so you are also do same way in the home. So you are using a leaf, or as you can use any vegetables. Yes, okay. And same see they did here. So leaves, if we can be taken any flower, or as so any vegetables you can take here like. So you can give the like 2 leaves front and what back side. So see that is looking like a what flower is. Okay, next one they can given here engraved stamp print pattern. So materials required here: carrot, different color tubes, cutter it needs. Okay, materials different color tubes and cutter. So procedure: take horizontally cut a piece of carrot. Yes, so engrave here plus, minus, into and division symbols on cut a surface of a carrot. Yes, you can cut the surface like it is here. See, yes, and dip the engraved surface of the cut piece in a different color and to form a pattern on a paper. Yes, like you can see, this is addition, multiplication, subtraction symbols. Understood that is? Okay, next one, see here. Yes, so this is the activity 4. They can given here thumbprint pattern. So I am using this one. This is a what it is? Stamp. So materials require different color tube sticks. Okay, or as a sticks. So procedure: color your thumb, make a thumbprints on a paper, use the stick to draw a particular shape, to draw a eyes, use wings here, so on, to form a definite pictures like here birds, fishes, like anyone you can take here. So now I'll do a what butterfly. Yes, so I'm using this thumb. Yes, I'm using this thumb like 1, 2, okay, 3 times. This is 4 times. Yes, so I'm using this thumb and I'll make here. This is what we can call, this is butterfly. What we can call, this is butterfly like this. Okay, yes, and also we'll do a flower like here, flower like this. 2, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, and I'm using 9 times. So this is like flower. Yes, see how it's looking very cute. No, it means very cute, nice. No, it is looking. Leaf also will do colors, and thumb we are using thumbprint and using see different patterns. Yes, okay students, you are also do like in your home. Understood? So use different colors. I use only blue color. No, you use different colors of colors and use a different pattern. Understood this one? Okay, so next one they can given here, that is stamp print means sequence here. Materials required: cut a pieces of carrot, lady's finger, bitter gourd and discard and point gourd, and different colors. Procedure here, see, immerse the cut end of different vegetables in a colors and make a stamp print. It means sequence on a sheet of paper as shown in the example. Means how I'll show you this example. Like same way you are also cut the vegetables and immerse in the color that vegetables and put on a what sheet. Okay, yes, this is, see here students, what they can given here, patterns of regular 2D shapes. Okay, 2D shapes means 2-dimensional shapes. Okay, see here, first they can given here this activity: take a 8 cut pieces of triangles of equal size of different colors with the help of your teacher. Arrange them in a different pattern, selecting any 3 colors on a square board. Here see, cut a piece of different color and give the colors. We will be arranging in a colors. Understood this one? Okay, same way they can be given here, square board. Yes, so this square board how we will be using, you can arrange these triangles on a square board in the different way of pattern. So this square board you are using this one and give the draw the different color of triangles and give the colors. Okay, same way this is activity 2. Do it yourself with a different combination of colored triangles. This is the same way you can be give the colors, the combination of colors. See how it is, red, black, yellow, blue, like. Yes, okay. Now arrange the triangles on a table or a floor without using square board and form a definite shape as shown in the below without using square board. Here see, like it is pattern 1 and pattern 2. Yes, and here see colors. Half of color is red, half of color is black. So here see next one activity. Collect 4 triangles of different colors of same size with the help of your teacher as shown in the below. Same way. So cut the pieces of paper, color papers. First give the color, or as first you can cut the pieces of paper, after you can be give the colors. Understood this is? Okay, this is activity you do in home. Yes, see here. So you arrange the following. It means to form a big triangle. So you can arrange this one. So pieces of papers. Take these pieces of papers and make a big triangle. Yes. So you can draw the other patterns also. Try that. So activity 3. We are given 4 pieces of triangle. Means triangular cardboard. Arrange these to form as a square of rectangles. So this is, it means use these pieces of paper and you will be arranged. How we will be arranged? Square rectangle to form a square and a rectangle. Understood? Using these of what? Square and rectangle. So you can be prepare what? Triangular cardboard sheet. Okay, so arrange these to form a square or rectangular forms. Understood, the students? So students, I hope you understood up to here. So your math chapters, all the lessons are completed. So last lesson, that is here 13th patterns, this is also completed. So I hope you understood all the lessons. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, thank you for watching.